Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make WordArt transparent in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the Insert menu. Select the WordArt drop-down menu. We can see here many WordArt. Now I am select this WordArt. Now we can see here a demo text. You can write anything. Now I am write some text. But the WordArt is not transparent. We want to make the transparent WordArt. Select the WordArt, go to the shape format menu, then select the format text box or the option, then select the fill color and choose the text fill. Now I am increase the transparency of the WordArt. Select the text outline and increase the transparency. Now I am make the fill transparency 15 and the outline transparency 15. Then close this window, then move anywhere and we can see we make the WordArt transparent easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.